Igoti ria kahawa nirihete rutha ruhonge rwa guthuthuria maundu ma thiini ma ruhonge rwa borithi IAU guthie na mbere na guthuthuria maabitha ana a gikundi kia SSU kiria kirabunjirwo ni President William Ruto. No igoti niriathanite wona uthuthuria ucio warika no nginya maumirira maneanwo kuri Inspector General wa borithi kana mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi. Maabitha ana aria manyititwo na magaikio ngono ni magakinywo igoti-ini maita meri makamenya muthi wa gatano kana ni makarekererio kana magathie na mbere na kuhingirwo uthuthuria ugithiaga na mbere.
The respondents have submitted that the IAU cannot investigate the offense of abduction. I do not agree. The unit can investigate, but upon completion, they must hand over the outcome to the IG or the DPP. To my understanding, the application before court is meant to facilitate the investigations and cannot be said to be an abuse of the court process. Should the applicant dare exploit the phones of the respondents without a court order or subject them to DNA without a court order, that would be a violation of the respondents' rights, and whatever evidence is obtained would be inadmissible. Finally, I've gone through the authorities relied upon by the prosecution and find that the same are distinguishable, hence not applicable in this case. For the foregoing reasons, I find the preliminary objection to be unmerited and it's hereby dismissed. I find the application dated 24th October is proper.